Hello everyone, my name is Tanja and this is Humbly Yours. Welcome back to my channel. If you, first before I get started, I just wanted to say if you like this video and stick around, please hit like. And if you'd like to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and then hit the button one more time to ring the bell so that you can receive a notification every time I post a video. This is just going to be a really quick, short video. I'm going to do some stuffing of my cash envelopes and my sinking funds, and we'll go over my budget just a little bit, but let's just go ahead and get started. So first we're going to go over my budget, and this week, in my previous video, I had already had it pre-planned, so this is what's happening today. I get paid next week, but I just wanted to get caught up on this. So I did pay, far as my expenses, I did pay $68.32 on my gas, $68.32, which left me a balance of $0. I did pay $44.35 on the electric, and that left me with a balance of $0. Let's see here, 12. Okay, I did pay on my personal loan, so well, it left me for a balance of $0 for that payment, but I still have $350 left to go. Okay. Google has been paid. My Cash App, I paid $60, but the actual balance is $100, so I still owe $40. My water bill. Let's see here. Oh, I paid the whole thing. I just went ahead and paid the whole thing. I'll get his half next week. So I went ahead and I paid $99.37. And where's my calculator? Okay, so that leaves a difference of minus, okay, wait a minute. $99.37 divided by 2 equals 49.60. Oh, you know what? Never mind. He paid me, so that's the balance of $0. Stamps.com, I haven't paid anything on that one yet. On my dish, I actually paid, you know what? How much did I pay on that? I actually paid $227.40 because I was behind, but now I'm all caught up, so that leaves me with a balance of $0. So I'm done with that part. And then I do have the $12 for as far as my cash envelopes go, and because I said I was going to stuff my grandkids. So I do have, I have the $12 for Tay. I can't talk. I have the $6 for August. Oh, shoot, I'm putting it wrong. Okay. And I just opened this correction tape like this morning and it broke on me. Just bought it. So, I have to go resort to this, which I'm not really a fan of the whiteout anymore. So let me fix this. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry for a minute. So I've already taken care of fuel. I've already taken care of the grocery, miscellaneous. I've already taken care of that. I did not write rent, but I'm going to put the rent here. So we go at $345, and it's 3. I don't even know why I have that over there. That don't even go there. I'm just gonna actually, rent goes in the cash envelopes because we pay cash for our rent. So the budget is $345 for myself, for my part of it. And I did pay I do have $345. And then I have some extra cash left over, and I haven't quite decided where I'm going to put it yet, because basically I'm freestyling at this point. So we'll figure that out when I get to that part. Set this to the side now. And I want to go over my weekly check-in. So I just want to get this all caught up. So week 1, which was January 31st through the 26th, I budgeted $56 for grocery. I spent $55.76, which leaves me a balance of 24 cents. As far as miscellaneous, I budgeted $55 minus $54.88, leaves me a balance of 12 cents. Eating out, I budgeted $40. We spent $39.36, leaves a balance of 64 cents. And okay, my rent was $345 at the beginning of the month, so, and that leaves me a 0 balance for that because that's paid. Nothing for unbudgeted. I didn't even bother because there was a lot going on, period. So week 2, which is February 7th through the 13th, I budgeted $90. I spent $81.91, which left me a balance of $8.09. Miscellaneous, I budgeted $60, left me a balance of 44 cents. Eating out, I budgeted $35. We spent $35. We spent $32.28, which leaves $2.72. And my bills for that week was $210.37. 0 left for that. Now, week 3, which is this week, I did receive some back child support, which is where this money is coming from right here. I had budgeted $100. Basically, that's what my budget was. And the week is not done yet, so yeah, the week is not done yet, so yeah, I don't need to worry about this week because this week is not done, so we can skip that. And this is how I've been tracking everything. My goal this month is to have 7 no-spend days. As of right now, I have 5 no-spend days, so I'm almost there, and we just have what, 9 more days left, so we'll see if I can get that in there for the month, okay? So that's it so far for this part. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my cash stuffing. And this here is a tracker that I made, and it's for me to track my bills, and I'm doing it for as you can see, 2020, 2021, and 2022, because I just want to see the difference in how, you know, my bills, how they change each year for whatever month that I'm in. So as you can see, compared to last year, my water bill was higher this year. Compared to last year, my gas bill was higher, my electric bill was lower, and my rent is still the same. So I want to keep track of this just to see how things go. Now I know next year my rent, it'll probably be higher than this because we'll be moving. So I know it's going to be higher than that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I'm going to put that to the side, straighten up my money. 20, 80, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. Have 460 in 20s, 110, a 5, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So, let's just see how it goes, okay? So, I do know the first thing I need to do is my rent. I want to get that out the way. So, since I got that extra, or back child support payment, I just want to go ahead and put my rent money up right now, and which leaves my check for when I get paid next week free from me having to worry about paying it next week. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, and 5. So that's for rent. And I'll probably come back to this one, but I just wanted to make sure I took care of that. As far as my sinking funds go, looking at my notes here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the grandkids out the way. Alright, so, and I know I already wrote it down, so this is Tay's right here. And Tay is going to get 12. So 10, 11, 12. But I think I'm going to exchange these 10s and put a 20. So he's going to have 24. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. August is going to get $6. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's going to give her a total of 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But I'm going to take out this 5 and 5 ones. Put this back in the pile. And 10, 11, 12. Okay. Alright. And then Egypt is going to get $1, and that's going to equal $2 for hers. Okay, got that. Now, what I really wanted to do was, let me see how much I got left. 20, 40, 60, 81, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, ooh, 100. Is that right? Oh. 20, 40, 60, 81. Oh my God. 1, okay. 20, 40, 60, 81. 10, 15, 20. 120 is left. So what I wanted to do is actually, I am going to put 25 into Christmas. Get that going. 25 into Christmas. Okay, so 80. Alright, what else I need this week? Okay, 80. Let's see here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put 50 in household, and I'm gonna add more to it when I get paid next week. 50 in the household. And then, okay, so these ones, I want to do the $1 challenge. So I have this here, and I'm going to put, ooh, see, I already have $1 from a $1 challenge, and I'm going to add these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to go there. And I was doing another savings challenge, but I'll worry about that next week. And I think what I'm going to do with this last of the 40, Okay. I think what I'm going to do is, oh, well, wait a minute. Did I write down? I didn't write down anything for Christmas. Okay, so today is the 19th. Deposit. And I'm adding 25. And that leaves me with 25 for that. Okay, and I'm going to put this 40 into, no, because I'm not going to next week. I'm not going next week for that. And I think I'm going to, what I'm going to do is, oh, I got money in miscellaneous. Hold on. Ooh, okay. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20. Okay. Okay, I'm going to change this up then. Okay, so for miscellaneous, I think I'm going to do, 60 in miscellaneous. Okay, so I don't have it headers on here, so I'm just going to do, today is the 19th. It's going to be a deposit. $60, which leaves me with $60. Okay, and then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that to my groceries. You can never have enough groceries, in my opinion. And if I don't, we'll see how it goes. Okay, because I still have a few more days till payday. So putting 60 into grocery. So today is the 19th. Deposit. I'm really bad at tracking on here. That'd be the problem sometimes. 60 and 60. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like that. Okay. Yep. And I still have some change. I have change in my purse too. I just didn't bring it up, but I have change that I need to put in here into the laundry. Yeah, that's it. All right. Okay, guys. That is all. And next week I will be stuffing some more money into both of these. And just real quick, this weekly check-in is, I have this on in my Etsy shop. It is available. And it has, you can either get it with the gray headers or pink. And it's only $1 a sheet. I also have the Paycheck budget sheets in there, which are either gray or pink headers, and that's also available in my Etsy shop as well. And I do have a spending tracker, but I don't really use it. Since everything is mostly digital, I just go through and look in my app for my bank account, and that way I'll know how much I spent. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And once again, if you like this video, please hit like. And if you wish to follow me on my budgeting journey, just hit the subscribe button and then ring the bell one more time, just so that you can see a video every time. Just so that you will know that I had just posted a new video. You can go in and check it out, okay? All right, guys. Thank you. Peace.